him need to remember, and when he's talking on podcasts and public places, tell people what I do for you too, because I don't just come around and take your energy. Remember, I know you from me I play sound system, and I me that play your song them from bass of this, and nobody know I play you because them say you're old man.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
No people, me tell you no all the while, it is called dancehall soap opera. And it named dancehall soap opera for a reason. Because every single week there is something going on in a dancehall. Some kind of drama. When one thing done, another thing rise. Yeah, and this week it's all about Charley Black and Mikeylous. Now we know Mikeylous and we know Charley Black are two big bad artists them in a dancehall. But the two of them are come from a far way. However, the two of them part ways. Charley Black a do film thing, Mikeylous a do film thing. But just recently, Charley Black did an interview with Entertainment Report Podcast. Big up to Entertainment Report Podcast, una do nothing over there. You see? But in that interview, Charley Black was asked a very specific question. This is the question right here.
You've kept it real for this entire conversation, so I can't leave here. I wouldn't be a real journalist if I didn't bring this up. What happened with you and Mikeylous?
No, what caused the rift between Charley Black and Mikeylous? That's the question. Charley Black answer in a way where me feel like was an honest response.
Nothing with me and him, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I think these rumors that I hear people been saying and send me messages to Mikeylous that talk bad about me in the street. I think he's trying to make a new hit song or trying to promote some shit because him can't get me for this thing because him are the first man who really ever make me hear myself on radio.
Mm-hmm.
So anywhere in the world, big him up and big up himself. What he should be happy about is that him try with me and I came out very successful. He tried with others and they all failed. I'm the most successful one. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Then him need to remember, and when he's talking on podcasts and public places, tell people what I do for you too, because I don't just come around and take your energy. Remember, I know you from me I play sound system, and I me that play your song them from bass of this, and nobody know I play you because them say you're old man. And me say, no, I'm my Lord man. Them the time them never had a DJ. You understand what I say? I sound me I play, but me is a man who always in the street. You understand what I say? So I always know some artists. Even Raspenko song, and me bring it from bass of this sound system. The song, even a thousand, and me bring that song there. The love surround is a moon that me bring it from bass of this because I'm as again. And me in the street from Warlord International days. So anybody new and anybody fresh, me I go get them before them bus. Cause me no ride wagon, you know. You understand what I say? So basically, big up Mikeylous anyway in them man and bless up himself, man. Him just glad that Charley Black came out successful and I will never diss him. Big him up, man, make him big up himself. Anything what you want to say about Charley Black, make him big up himself. He say what you want to say. I thank him for make GD Taylor play my song when I get to hear on the radio. There are some things that I don't really need to talk. I'm going to talk bad about people, Virgin. You see what I say? But he should also talk about what I did for him. And because when me boss, everywhere me go in the world, I bring him.
Mm-hmm.
Which artists you know will boss next artist and when them boss them help at the next artist? I don't remember of that. Remind me. So, the first time I got to Canada by myself, I came. The first time I go do, I show them in New York, I came. And even when the promoters are not paying him, I say, make sure that I'm going to picture them on the flyer. Buy him ticket. Rare. So, I have nothing bad to say about Mikeylous. If he want to talk bad about me, big him up himself, man. Make him do him after. Big up yourself, Mikeylous. Blessings and more power to you. See? Right, you now you're dead right now. You're alright. Big up.
However, Mikeylous watched the interview and Mikeylous no feel the same way. Mikeylous forward out and Mikeylous say, yo, you hear me Charley Black, you are one of the fakest and one of the most evilest and one of the most hypocritical persons I know in dancehall. Mikeylous words, not mine. People, Mikeylous do a video in response to that interview and this right here is what Mikeylous had to say. Check it out.
Yes, greetings my people. This is yours truly, Mikeylous, the Wake Up Boss. I just want to get to the point quick and fast. I'm going to talk about the artist now named Charley Black, where him do an interview and him say some things where, brother, Charley Black, Desmond Mendes, stop lie. You're one of the fakest person in music. You're not real, you're cross-thread. You're not a real person to stop lie. Me not tell lie. I mean, I look no hype off of no man, because remember, if I look hype off of your brother, in your peak of your career, I cut you off. I know you cut me off and me cut you off because you're evil. You're not nice. So stop go out there and go on like saying I come big me. I don't want you big up, brother, because you big up fake. I deal with real big up. I prefer get one big up, 1,000 fake big up. You are say, you walk in the street and people are tell you things about what me say about you, some bad things for you, this me, you know, this me because me a first man, make yourself already. You already this me. When you get your 10-year visa from me get the visa, you already this me, brother. You style me in New York wicked. You say a bag of things about me, so you already diss me. So don't come talk about you know and diss me. You can't come diss me in a style and I go and can't big me up. Me not take that. See, first I say me feel glad for you because me is younger artist. Me try with we get successful. Brother, Jigsy King get successful. Tony Curtis get successful. Chesedek get successful. Me vice all of them man there. President Brown get successful. So me don't know who you, me don't know what you talk say, brother. See, you say people I say, based on this never want to play my song because they must say me an old man. You assessor, you and your friend they must say me an old man. But thank God, me reach the age of me reach, I'm going to live triple time, fifth time, fourth time, my age now. You have a problem with age, me not have a problem with age. You can't use age and put me down. Now I define me because me never choose when me born. I'm glad I never choose the year and the date. I'm glad me live for see today. I'm going to live for see many more. So if you don't want to reach the age where you reach now, kill yourself or stop your life. Stop your breath. See, remember I meet you about 2007 or 2008, you're about 29, 30. I hope you're still 30 now. When you can't use age and put me down because me want to live till me bend. Me want to live till me old, till me gray. Brother, you say you carry me everywhere when you're boss. You don't carry me everywhere when you're boss, brother. Me follow you. When you come to Canada, I got Canada from 87. You come to New York, I come to New York with them, I come to New York from 1989. Try remember that. One place you go, when me never go yet where you go perform and me come with St. Vincent. And me got a whole for Caribbean Island. We got Atlanta, me run through them places a long time. You don't do nothing for the music, brother. You don't do anything in music for me, so stop tomorrow come pretend and go like you're nice. You're not nice. You are not nice. Me have proved whole heap of people me make you meet in the music, brother. See, them turn against me now because of you, because you buy them out. You buy them plane ticket, you can't go foreign. Remember, you know. Try remember, me not do nothing, me not hype off you, me not need it. Remember, say, me cut you off in your prime of your career. See, remember that. You say you will never diss me, brother. You diss me whole heap of time, brother. Enough time you diss me, you chat a bag of things about me. You chat me your par. You there base of this. And the man if you play me song, they man if you play me song upon the ear can rhythm the night. And you know, when you attack on the mic and they man select. And my song drop me there, you say nothing on the song, uncle for know say you put on the mic and walk with. They man say. Damien say you know how my song play. So stop talking about man pan base of this fight me. And you make me and Damien pan base of this no deal now. That Damien got sentences back up play and this me pan the sound. Tell me go suck my mother. Charley Black, you know straight, you cross through, they are evil, brother. Me not no reason for this, yo. I mean, I no reason. Anything me say about you in my interview, the real, I mean never this in my interview. I may stop it yes, but if you're going further, me have things where me not talk it, brother. Me have ammunition and me not shoot it. So man, I have to stop. Tell lie and it's real. You're fake. You're cross that you teach me to play hypocrite in music. Remember me tell you, try remember that Charley Black. Up move.
Now, I'm not going to tell you no lie, Unstoppable family. I just wish the two man them never really at odds right now. Because them a come from far, one help one help the other. It don't really matter who help who. We are all Jamaicans. We are una artists, una do nothing. I just feel like una fi just live good. And if una can help another artist coming up, help another artist coming up. And if una can help out each other, help out each other. I just feel like I saw it figure. Although you don't know in a them thing, your people fall apart and them go them own ways. However, that's what the man them work it out. Talk to me down below in the comment section, people. Let me know what you think about that one. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out. Oh, by the way, if you don't want me, try to see if I can get a reasoning with Charley Blacks and Mikeylous. You know, in our interview, on talk me down below in the comment section, make me know. If you don't want that, me will try to make it happen. Zane, my God.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.